Assalamu alaikum. Today we will be looking at two important strategies for speeding up your reading: skimming and scanning. Like other skills, listening, public speaking, etc., reading requires mastery so you can utilize it effectively. If you know when to use the different reading techniques in everyday scenarios, you'll be able to save time and effort. Skimming and scanning are two specific speed reading techniques which enable you to cover a vast amount of material very rapidly. These techniques are similar in process but different in purpose. They are each used for different purposes and they are not meant to be used all the time. When using skimming and scanning, you do not read every single word, which is what increases your reading speed. First, we will see what is skimming. Skimming is one of the tools you can use to read more in less time. Skimming refers to looking only for the general or main ideas and works best with non-fiction material. You read only what is important to your purpose. Skimming takes place while reading and allows you to look for details in addition to the main ideas. So when should we skim? Because skimming is done at a fast speed with less than normal comprehension, you should not skim all the time. There are many times, however, when skimming is very useful. For example, the newspaper can be skimmed to quickly get the general news of the day. We can skim magazines to quickly discover which articles you would like to read in more detail. We can skim business and travel brochures to quickly get informed. Let's look at more examples. Suppose you have to make a presentation in a few days about the first computers ever made. You find 6 books and 4 newspaper articles about this topic. Because you must be ready soon, you do not have time to read each word, but you need a large quantity of solid information. Skimming will help you to locate the information quickly while making sure you use your time wisely. It will also increase the amount of information you obtain. Let's look at another example. Suppose you have an exam in a few days. You need to review the material you learned, but you don't want to reread everything. By skimming, you can quickly locate the information you haven't mastered yet and study only that material. So, how should we skim, or what are the techniques for skimming? First, we should read the title if there is any. Then, we should read the introduction or the first paragraph. Then, read the first sentence of every other paragraph. Notice any pictures, charts, or graphs. Notice any italicized or bold-faced words or phrases. Read the summary or last paragraph if there is one. So, to sum up, skimming is a way to read quickly in order to discover the general idea of a text. When you skim, you do not read every word. The main purpose of skimming is to get a general idea of what the text is about. In the next class, we will learn about scanning. Thank you.